Welcome to English Enigma. Let's discuss a new idiom. Are you familiar with the idiom, ants in your pants? It's a quirky that many of us have heard before, but what does it really? Today, we're going to dive into the origins and understanding of this amusing phrase that has been used for generations. Have you ever felt restless or unable to sit still, like there are ants crawling around in your pants? Well, that's the essence of this idiom. But where did it come from, and how did it become popular? Let's explore the fascinating world of idioms and uncover the hidden meanings behind ants in your pants. Believe it or not, ants in your pants dates back to the early 20th century in America. It was first used to describe children who couldn't sit still or were fidgety. While the literal interpretation of the phrase is quite amusing, its figurative meaning is what makes it so intriguing. It symbolizes restlessness, anxiety, or a strong desire to move around. Ants in your pants has become a widely recognized expression in English-speaking countries. It's often used playfully to tease someone who is feeling jittery or impatient. Interestingly, many languages around the world have their own versions of this idiom. From feeling itchy all over to having fleas in your nose, each culture has a unique way of expressing restlessness. In psychology, the concept of ants in your pants can be related to attention deficit hyperactivity disorder, ADHD, or anxiety disorders. It highlights the importance of recognizing and addressing underlying feelings of unease. If you find yourself with ants in your pants, there are several strategies you can try to regain your focus and calm your mind. From deep breathing exercises to taking short breaks, finding what works for you is essential. Next time you hear someone mention ants in their pants, you'll have a newfound appreciation for the depth of this seemingly simple expression. Remember, we all experience restlessness from time to time, but understanding its origins and implications can help us navigate those moments with grace and humor. So, embrace the ants in your pants and let them inspire you to keep moving forward.